Welcome. This is from MATHia for my students in Algebra 1. This is focusing on solving two-step linear inequalities and graphing them and checking our solutions to make sure they work. We're probably going to do that in a couple of problems. There are another slew of videos that have this information on there too, so check those out as well. But I focused on this one because there's a negative x. Negative x's tend to cause us to have to do one extra layer of deep thinking when we solve these types of problems. As always, this is just like solving an equation. What you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. So first step, I'm going to add 49 to both sides. That means negative 30 plus 49. Over here, of course, negative 49 plus 49, that's zero. That cancels each other out. That's why we do that cancel step. And we're left with negative x. Negative 30 plus 49, if you owe somebody $30, you somehow acquire $49, you pay them off their $30, you're left with 19. And I'm going to show this in a different color so it stands out, well, symbol. The fact is, the shape, the less than does not change until right now. In order to get x by itself, we have to divide by a negative 1 or multiply by a negative 1. Or add x to both sides and then end up subtracting by 19. The point is, the direct step, one step to get there, is to divide by negative 1 both sides. And when you do that, you get a positive answer. A negative and a negative make a positive. But over here, a positive number 19 divided by a negative 1 makes the result negative 19. And what is left is x, hold up. I'm trying to make sure I make a point here. So pause, freeze, listen. The sign has to flip. X is greater than negative 19. Stay tuned for part 2, where we talk about how we check solutions just to know we flipped the sign correctly.